I created amazing 3D scene in Unreal Engine only with AI assets. I'm gonna show you how from idea create images and then up to crazy 8K texture 3D models. And finally make 3D scene or cinematic like this. Guys, this is Steph and today's special video. I'm gonna show you the whole process that I do, how I use AI assets, and we're gonna test one of the best today to achieve amazing results. And let's go step by step. First, I'm gonna show you how I create ideas, then how I create prompts, which tool I use to create 3D models and why, and we'll assemble that in Unreal Engine. Let's get started. The first step is ChatGPT. Whoa, what a surprise. Although you can use anything you want, Gemini and Claude also good. My preference is with GPT 4.1, it's really good. My idea started with the throne made of swords with the female faces like on stone on the ship that will show the divine power. And here I started the prompts and here I got the first prompt from ChatGPT. Immediately I opened Krea. It's just one of the tools. You can use many more. You can use Full AI, 3D AI Studio, many provide images, but in Full AI is just easier for me. So I dropped the prompt right away and started to create images. First I tried Dream 4. I didn't like the style. I think it was a little bit dark. Then I tried Nano Banana. Nano Banana became even darker. So what I asked ChatGPT is dark stuff. Let's adjust a little bit. Okay, and it started to become better. Next iteration is way better. Then I did few more iterations with what I like or not. And finally I got it. I decided to go with this image. I think it has everything balanced. I like the color scheme. Perfect. Now the challenge. I wanted extremely high resolution and neither 3D AI will do it in one go right now. However, that's not what I need also. I will combine it myself. I just need parts of it. And we go back to GPT again and I ask it to please split it into the parts so I can combine it. So you can see it extracted some part. It was unsuccessful first and I asked like for 10 parts and then I also asked like for a few more parts. But how did I do that? It's actually super simple. We can use Nano Banana for that. It's amazing, especially with Nano Banana Pro right now. This task is straightforward. Just ask it to extract throne from the given image, right? So we put the image that we like and say I need a throne alone. So here I'm gonna show you how to do it on full. Basically, you go Nano Banana Edit or Nano Banana Pro, put the prompt, extract the throne structure, blah blah blah. You can ask ChatGPT to give you that prompt. Drop the image that you like. This is my original image I like. I'm gonna set number of images 4 just so I get the nice result right away and press run. You can do the same thing on Krea or anywhere else and here's the result. So whenever you like the result, you basically take that result. I also recommend, and I always do that myself, to remove background. For example, on full there's Bria V2 is very good and background removals are available across many tools. So just remove the background so you have images like this and we will not waste any 3D AI generations. Alright, it took me around 20 minutes to figure out all the assets I might need. I also created some extra, a scepter, broken swords, black panel, some emblems, eagle. This one I like a lot. Swords, of course. Plenty swords so we can combine them around. Female heads also looks super cool. The throne itself without a lot of swords. And here's my final image. And now most fun step. Let's create 3D assets. And today we're gonna use top 1 AI generator right now. And if you don't know yet, there is top 3D AI when you can know all about best AI generators, see how they perform on real battle mode. You can side by side compare different models in battle mode, see which provider it is, see another results from it, and of course see leaderboard and reviews. Right now, recently released a Vivo 3D is absolutely insane. It goes super high. It even goes higher than Heighten 3D 1.5, which is really good. But why? And it's all because they are first to introduce 8K texture and they really improve texture generation. You can take a look on some examples and texture here are insane. They're adding so much details. So I'm gonna use it today. So we're gonna go Vivo 3D website. Right away you can take a look on some crazy 8K examples. And this is just insane. Just look at this. This is just crazy how detailed it is. And I'm completely shocked. We're gonna jump to 3D AI workspace. I'm gonna show you what they have here. So basically there are three options. You work with image, multi-view is not available yet, and you can upload and texture your own model, which is amazing. The flow is very simple. We drop an image here, we select the model. I'm gonna go with Ultima Prime, and we can play around with the poly count. Since I'm about to create a cinematic from it, I can go for a higher amount of polygons, but select it depending on your needs. And the texture. Here we go. Ultimate 8K texture. It is only available in higher tier subscription, which is expected because it takes a lot of GPU to create such. However, I also tested real 4K, and I would say it's also really good. So I created many examples using both of them. Also, there's an amazing setting inside our texturing, which helped me a lot sometimes. If you use Hunyon, Hitem, Tripo, sometimes inside parts or the backside has black artifacts. This one can fix it, and you have more flexibility settings, but I usually keep it like this. And here, some results I get from my assets. Such an amazing generation. And guys, moment of sneak peek. When I rendered it first time in Unreal Engine, it was like, wow, just look at this. But wait, we'll get there soon. So here, as you can see, I created multiple swords, scepter, some emblems like this. And again, each look amazing. Just look at this. This is a ready asset. Like, just look at this. It has all the materials and stuff. It's ready to be used. For my purpose, I don't even need to touch anything about it. Here you can see the throne. It also looks amazing. Everything is so cool. I created few versions so I can check it out. I also tried to generate it in one go from my original image. It's not bad, but since I want a close-up shots, it's not working for me because even 4K texture for such a close lookup is not enough. So it's better for me to keep eagles and stuff separated so I can do a close-up, right? So this one is much nicer. Let's take a look on some swords. Just look at this. Phew, wow. Super cool. Just look how cool it is. I mean, every detail, wow. So for game assets, for cinematic assets even, this is absolutely insane. It's really good quality. Here is the curved sword. Again, I really like how it brings up the materials. You can also adjust it a little bit in Unreal Engine or elsewhere if you need. But again, like that's super cool how good it is from the generation. And here are our heads. Wow, I mean, this material looks so natural. It's like it's made of gold or some bronze, a bit copper, I don't know. But I mean, it looks so cool. You just drag and drop and it's ready. And an amazing news is I also managed to get a promo code for you guys. So don't hesitate to give it a try with a solid discount. All details in the description. All right, and now let's put it to the Unreal Engine. First of all, this is my project I was working on. I created a sort of throne hall with ready asset pack in Unreal Engine. And at some point, I realized that there is no ready assets that I really want the way I imagined the throne itself. And I really didn't want to spend any time on that. And I really wanted to move fast. So when I see the Vivo perform so well, I decided I'd give it a try. And that was an amazing. Look how good it actually went up. So here I added the throne and just look how good it fits all the environments. I didn't really need it to adjust it at all. It's just put it like right there and it's already look good. Just wow. Then I took the parts, combined them all together, and here we go. It's just an amazing how wild your creativity can go in no time. Guys, you should not fear it at all. You should use it to unleash your creative power. And now I'll shut up for a moment and give you a moment to enjoy my final cinematics. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you want more content about Unreal Engine, just let me know in the comments. I can create a guide for you how to create AI assets, import them easily in Unreal Engine. This is super easy. There's a lot of plugins and stuff. I just don't know how many of you need it. So let me know. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.